Hi guys, it's Junk Journal and Jen, and welcome to my channel. Okay, I'm back. So, I thought we'd put on some beads real quick. And I have some turquoise here. Some bigger ones. Ooh, I love these glass ones. Ooh, look at that. It's fancy. I do have a bead tool, but I'm not gonna have to use it for this, so I'm just gonna put these on. How fun is that, you guys? They don't really stay forward, if you know what I mean. Is there pink on our book? No. There's this green. These are really only for my own enjoyment, and because I told you I'd come back. But this, I found a spot for this book. It's right above my sewing machine. So excited! Excited about that. I should put a little bead on here to really cap it off here. Yeah, that's a good one. So we'll just do a little knot at the very edge. And then we'll let the bead do what the bead does best, right? How fun. Oh, it's so cute. I was not expecting that. Wow. Are we sure we don't have pink on our book, friends? No. Red, yellow, green, green, and green, and green. We have pink. We could just do it just because. Definitely. Ooh, look at that button. We're using that one. This one, a yellow one. Gucci. I don't even know where that button came from. That's funny. Okay. Cute, huh? I think I'm gonna use one of those anyway. Okay. Wow, fun. So I'm gonna be putting these buttons away. I love these glass beads. I hope you guys can see. Oh, here, let's get us a rock. Do this one. It makes it easier. Now you guys can see. I don't want to use... Here, do a different one. Yep, it's just how that one was drilled. Fun. Ooh, there's another bead in here I want. Ooh, and it popped right out. How cute are you? Okay, cool. All right, let's go with this white one. Diamond looking one. Oh, this one's gonna be a little showstopper, I see. So I'm gonna have to take it up to where we want it. Yep, see that? Okay, here we go. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. I really hope this one goes on because it has the white. Ooh, it's good. There you go. And then let's go yellow. And then let's go this green. How about that? That work? Maybe that yellow's gonna do what it's gonna do. How cute is that? 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 I'm gonna have to use one of these reds because we do have red. That'd be fun, right? Okay, yeah. All right, and then, ooh, let's use this bead.
No, that might be personality.
Okay, here we go. Amazing. So glad you guys tuned in. I hope I can edit all this good stuff. Wow, look at those dangles there, friends. That's seriousness. Oops, wrong one. Oops. Did you see what I just did? Ah, too funny. I'm telling you, that Gucci button is just following me around. I don't know where that came from. That cracks me up. So, anyways, there we go. Friends, thanks for joining me. I appreciate you. Our little button friends are going away finally. Bye-bye, button friends. And let's see. What else do we got? I'm going to show you these close up. Scoot my chair back. Stand up. And our big, giant idea book. Oops, sorry, friends. I forget that it's that direction. Look how those turned out. Isn't that great fun? So, there we go. They're so much fun. I really thank you for joining me in this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. And those are on the bottom. I know this is our big, big journal. But how cool are those? And they're gonna sit right on my shelf so I can look at them as I sew all the dangles I'm going to make, all of the dangles. So thanks, guys. I hope you're having a beautiful day. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. I already have our next project lined up. I wanted to finish off a book for a good friend. So this is the spine to it, and we're gonna finish that up. So I will see you in the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.